Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to auto-detect names, brands, and entities in your videos using FastPix AI. We'll cover two methods, through the dashboard and through the API. By the end, you'll have every video in your library tagged with the people, organizations, and places it talks about, without watching a single minute yourself. Quick prerequisite: you'll need a video already uploaded to FastPix. Ideally something with real spoken content. An interview, a news segment, a podcast episode, a lecture. If you haven't uploaded yet, check the link in the description for our upload walkthrough first. Let's get started. Here's the thing about video metadata. If you can't tag what a video is about, you can't search it, index it, or surface the right video for the right query. AI named entity recognition tags every video in your library automatically, so your search catches up with the size of your catalog. Method 1. The dashboard. Open your video and click the Named Entities tab under InVideo AI. You'll land on the Named Entity Recognition page. FastPix uses AI to read your video's transcript and identify every key entity mentioned in it: people, organizations, places, and other named things. Hit Generate, confirm, and proceed, and FastPix gets to work. AI processes the transcript, extracts every entity it recognizes, and returns a structured list with each entity paired to its category, whether it's a person, an organization, or somewhere else. You'll see a preparing status while it runs. Give it a few seconds, and your entity list is ready. A clean JSON list of every named entity in the video, each tagged with its category. Attach it as searchable metadata, feed it into your recommendation engine, or use it to power search across your library. Method 2. The API. Thinking programmatically, tagging entities across your whole catalog as videos land in your pipeline. Here's how the API does the same thing in a single call. You'll need one thing from your dashboard: your media ID. Open your video, head to the Overview tab, and copy the media ID at the top of the page. Now drop it into your curl command. Send a patch request to the named entity's endpoint with your access token and secret key for authentication, and a JSON body with generate set to true. Hit enter. FastPix returns a JSON response confirming success with your media ID and is named entities enabled set to true. Behind the scenes, AI is reading the transcript, and a webhook fires the moment the entity list is ready. No polling, no waiting, just wired into your ingest pipeline, and every video in your library gets tagged automatically. 2 ways to tag. 1 platform. 0 manual metadata work. The link to our guide for this topic and our full API reference is below for further perusal. Try free at fastpix.com and ship video faster today.